Hello, my name is Berenice Lopez Zamora. I am a medical student and I'm doing my social service in research. Today, I am going to present you the research study titled Hematological Differences in Older Adults with SARS-CoV-2. This study was performed at Hospital de Especialidades Centro Médico Nacional La Raza, Mexico City. According to the World Health Organization, people between 60 and 74 years old are considered elderly. Coronavirus 19 is a global public health problem caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome that can include a cytokine storm and systemic inflammation. In laboratory tests, lymphopenia occurs in about 60% overall and 81% of the deceased. The objective of this study is to compare the hematological values of older patients versus younger than 60 years infected by SARS-CoV-2. We include severe COVID-19 patients classified by age younger or older than 60 years old. The hematological analyses include lymphocytes subpopulation on admission. Clinical data were obtained from the hospital digital system, and we performed descriptive and analytic statistics with chi-square test and Wilcoxon-Whitney test. Results: we studied 19 younger adults and 18 older adults over 60 years of age. 73% had overweight and obesity in the group under 60 years compared to only 22% over 60 years old. Likewise, in the group of adults under 60 years of age, 5 patients were diabetic and 5 had systemic arterial hypertension compared to the other group other than 60 years where there were 9 patients with diabetes and 10 with systemic arterial hypertension. On average, older adults had more neutrophils than young adults. Regarding the amount of lymphocytes, we can see old patients had less lymphocytes than young patients. We found a significant difference between both groups. Neutrophil lymphocyte ratio was higher in old patients compared with young ones. On the other hand, lymphocyte subpopulations were significantly reduced at admission in patients older than 60 years compared to younger ones. The marker of inflammation, C-reactive protein, and blood glucose was higher in those older than 60 years. Also, 23 of the 37 subjects studied died, of which 14 were adults over 60 years of age. Conclusions: patients older than 60 years with severe COVID-19 have greater leukocytosis, lymphopenia, and systemic inflammation on admission than those younger than 60 years. Also, higher mortality occurred in adults over 60 years of age than in younger ones, which is related to comorbidities. Thank you so much.